I go to the library.
I went to the library, okay?
Right. Yes.
Okay, so I went to the library. Okay, so that's so nice to hear that. Okay, I think how often do you go to the library, Sam?
Um, every day.
Every day. Okay. Really? How many hours did you spend your time there?
Uh, 3 hour.
3 hours?
Yes.
So 3 hours. Okay. Okay, that's nice to hear that. But anyway, so here, Sam, I told you we're going to have an advanced class, right?
Yes.
Today. But unfortunately, that's okay. My appointment was canceled for tomorrow, okay, so I can still meet you for tomorrow's class, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe I'll be having an advanced class probably by Monday, because my appointment was actually moved on Monday. All right. So
All right.
do you still want to have an advanced class, or we'll be doing it next time on Saturday?
Next time Saturday.
Next time Saturday, okay? Let's talk about what time on Saturday then we're going to have an advanced class. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, okay. But anyway, for today's class, we'll be having idioms, okay? Can you still remember our topic about idioms?
Riding a bike.
No, that's not riding a bicycle. About the lazy mailman.
Ah,
Yeah, that hides letters.
um,
Hides letters, right? That's correct.
yes.
Okay. But I actually sent you something yesterday. Did you check that? Do you like that book? I sent you a science book yesterday. Can you still remember that? Are you sure? About the type of plant, something like that.
Yes.
Do you like that book or
Oh, do
this
you
one?
have different page?
Huh?
Do you have different page?
Yes, this one here. Page 40, I think. This one is the kinds of plants.
Or
Try to
do you
open it.
have different page?
Different page?
Yes.
You can go on to the next page, like 41, like that. What else? 42. This one. 42 is how do plants make.
Oh, okay.
Which one do you like then? What page?
Um, 42.
42. How do plants make food?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So anyway, let's start on that then too. Do you have any idea how does plants makes food? How do they make food?
Uh, uh, I don't know. They eat sunlight and water.
Eat. Okay. Not eat. They don't eat. They don't have mouth, but maybe you can just say absorb, right? They
Yes.
absorb sunlight and water, right?
Yes.
Okay, so in that way they produce food, right? Okay, well, I
Yes.
think you have a point there because actually they absorb, okay? So, how do plants make food? Let's start first with I'm going to be reading the first paragraph and then after that, your teacher, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's start now. How do plants make food? All living things need energy to live. Animals eat food to get energy, but plants make their own food. They do this in process called photosynthesis. Okay, your turn.
Wait a minute.
Okay, no problem.
All living things need energy to live. Animals eat food to get energy, but plants make their own food. They do that in a process for photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Synthesis.
Yes, that is correct. So the process is called photosynthesis. So that's how they make their food, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so animals eat food to get energy, but plants make their own food, and they do this. The process is called photosynthesis. Okay, use sunlight in order to make their food. Leaves are the main food making part of the plant.
Plants sunlight in order to make their food. Leaves are the main food make plants of a plant.
I'm sorry.
Uh, uh,
Sun.
in
A plant use sunlight in order to make food. Leaves are the main food making part of the plant. Okay. All right. So they make their food in what part of the plant? It is the
leaf.
leaves. Very good. Okay. Okay. All right. Do you know the singular word for leaves? If it's leaves, it means many. Okay. How about the singular or means one only? Do you know, Sam?
Uh,
Okay. There's
one.
no. Yeah. How do you spell that? What's the word for that? It's only
Leaf.
leaf. Leaf. Okay. Leaf. Okay. All right, but leaves, that's leaves, that means many, okay? All right, okay, moving on. A leaf is green because it has a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is found in the chloroplast, which which are where a plant makes its food.
Uh, a leaf is green because, because it has a chlorophyll. Or what is this word? Because it has a special for
Substance called
substance called
chlorophyll.
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 Chlorophyll is found in uh, sure, I don't
Is
know
found
this
in
word.
the chloroplast.
Chlor Found in the chloroplast.
Yes,
This
okay.
where a plant makes its food.
Okay, alright. So the word there is substance, okay? Alright, do you know the meaning of substance, Sam?
I don't know. Substance.
When you say substance, okay, it means, how do you call it? Like the substance of a chemical. So, which means it talks something about like a kind of a part or something. Or, okay, wait. Like let's say for example, what is the substance of the coffee? For example, so you're talking something about the consist. What consists the coffee? All right.
Yes.
Right, the thing that consists the coffee. So of course the water, and then of course the coffee powder, right? Yeah, so
Alright.
the physical matter or the material. Okay, so you can also use the word material. Okay, material or the substance. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, very good. Okay, what's another? Chlorophyll. No, chlorophyll. I think that was the chlorophyll, right? Okay, there. Chloroplast. Chlorophyll is found in the chloroplast, which are where plants makes its food. The chlorophyll is the substance from the photosynthesis. Okay.
Got it.
Yes, okay, now let's start the next one. First, when the sun shines on the leaf, the chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight. Then the chloroplasts use carbon dioxide, water, the sun's energy to make sugar. The sugar is food for the plant. This process is photosynthesis. Your turn.
First, when the sun shines on a leaf, the photosynthesis absorbs sunlight. Then the cla- cla- chlorophyll chlorophyll
Chlorophyll
chlorophyll
absorbs
uh,
the
combine
sunlight.
sunlight
Yes. The chlorophyll absorbs sunlight.
absorbs sunlight, water, and the uh, sun entering. I don't know this word.
Uh,
Energy.
that is chloroplasts use carbon dioxide. Water,
Carbon dioxide,
yeah,
water, and the sun, and uh, I don't
energy
energy
to make
to
sugar.
make uh,
Sugar.
sugar.
Okay, the
The
sugar
sugar is
is the
food
food for the
for the
plant.
plant.
This
This
process.
process is photosynthesis.
Okay, all right, very good. Got it, Sam. Carbon dioxide, Sam, is CO2. You know CO2?
CO2.
Yes, carbon oxide, dioxide. Yeah, so that's CO2. Okay, so this is the process is the chloroplast use carbon dioxide. Look at the picture. There's the carbon dioxide. They absorb. The plants absorb it. The leaves absorb it. Okay, it gets water. Where does the plant gets the water, Sam?
Uh, under uh, his legs.
It's not a leg, okay? That's the roots, right?
Yes.
Roots, okay? So the carbon dioxide is absorbed by the leaves, and the sunlight is absorbed by the leaves, and then they get the water from the roots, okay? And then
Okay.
after that, the sugar is the food for the plant. The process is called photosynthesis, okay? And then when it absorbs light, carbon dioxide and water, it produces oxygen, okay? Do you know
Okay.
what's an oxygen?
Oh no.
Oxygen is that's the air that we breathe, right?
Uh-huh.
In the outer space, there's no oxygen, right?
Yes.
That's why when we go out or space, we need something that we could breathe. We need an oxygen. So in the earth, we have oxygen. That's why we're breathing because of the oxygen, okay?
Okay.
All right, okay. So the oxygen is produced by the plants, okay?
Okay.
That's why it's very important to have a lot of plants, a lot of trees, okay? Because they produce oxygen, okay? Yes, okay, okay. And that's the last paragraph. As the photosynthesis occurs, the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air. At the same time, the plant gives oxygen into the air. This is what people breathe, okay? All animals must breathe in oxygen to stay alive. So, thanks to plants, people and animals can live too.
As
Mm.
uh,
As, phot-
pro-
as photosynthesis occurs,
as photosynthesis occurs,
mm,
the plant takes in carbon dioxide,
dioxide,
dioxide
okay, from the
from
air,
the uh,
from the air.
air.
At the
At
same
the
time,
same time, the plant gives
of
off
oxygen
ox- oxygen into the
Air.
air.
Okay.
This is what people breathe. All animals must breathe in oxygen
Mm-hmm.
to stay alive. So thanks to plants, people and animals can live too.
Okay. All right. So there. All right. Now.
Yes.
Okay. So there. So. Plants produce oxidants or give off. Okay. When you say give off, it means they produce. Okay. Or they. How do I say that? They produce. Yeah. Give off oxygen. Okay. Alright,
Okay.
so animals must breathe oxygen and humans must breathe oxygen to stay alive. Okay?
Okay.
That's remember if we don't have oxygen, we cannot breathe. Alright, so that means we might die if we don't have oxygen. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, okay. So people, animals, and plants needs oxygen to stay alive. Alright?
All right.
Okay, okay. All right, Sam. Do you have any questions on these? Do you think the book is too hard?
No.
Not okay. I think that's actually very easy for you then. Okay, we'll just need to maybe what adjust then. Okay. Okay, let's move on
Okay.
to the next one. So the next one is going to be some comprehension. And then we're going to answer some topics. Okay.
Okay.
Let's start with. Okay, go on to the next page. Okay, let's start, Sam. It says there the question is, what is the passage mainly about? Okay. A, what chlorophyll does. B, the what carbon dioxide is. C, photosynthesis occurs.
Uh,
Answer is
uh, C. Letter C.
how photosynthesis occurs. Very good. So this is like they explain how does the photosynthesis or the process, right?
Yes.
Okay, moving on. Let's have number two. Plants' leaves are green because of A. Chlorophyll, B. Chloroplast, C. Photosynthesis. What do you call the substance?
Letter B.
Letter A,
B.
B. Chloroplast. I think it's chlorophyll. Okay, let's see one more time. Okay. Okay, there. The leaf is green because of the sun's hill. Okay, not chloroplast. Okay. The answer there is chlorophyll. All right. The substance is called chlorophyll. Got it?
Got
Yeah. So
it.
when someone asks you why the leaves is green, what do you answer, Sam?
Uh,
If somebody asks you, "Oh, why is the leaves green?" What will you answer, Sam? It's because of the
because of the chlorophyll.
very good. It's because of the substance chlorophyll. Okay. All right. Don't forget the word substance. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Number three. What does the plant take in from the air? Oh, Sam, take in, give off. That's completely different. Take in or like we inhale.
Uh-huh.
Exhale is like we breathe out, like that. What does plant take in from the air? The plant, okay?
Okay.
Mm.
Uh,
The answer is
Letter B.
why do you see oxygen?
Uh, the people,
Mm.
the people breathe, oxygen,
Mm.
breathe out oxygen.
No, it's not. We breathe in oxygen, but the plants take in carbon dioxide, but it gives off oxygen. Okay. So the answer is not oxygen, it's the carbon dioxide. Okay. But you are correct then when you say that we humans take in oxygen, but before taking in oxygen, the plants uh, gives take in carbon dioxide first. After it takes in carbon dioxide, it gives off oxygen. Okay. Carbon dioxide is a bad air. Okay. Bad air, not good
Okay.
air. All right. Where can you find carbon dioxide? Can you give me examples? Where can you find
Oh,
dioxide?
car, car,
Okay, from car or the smoke coming from the car. Okay.
and factory,
Okay, very good. The factory. The factory means those are the smokes coming from the factory. All right. What else?
airplane.
Okay, yes. Okay, if it produces some, some smoke, right? All right.
Yes, and cruise ship.
Cruise ship, very good. How about, do you know what's AC is? AC? AC.
AC.
Air conditioning. Air conditioner.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It also produces CO2. So the lower the temperature, the CO2, the lower the temperature, the AC or the air conditioner, it produces a lot of CO2, right? That's why a
All
lot of
right.
people say, experts say that um, using AC is not actually good. Okay. Alright, but
Got it.
yes, but of course we need actually if it is hot or okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Our last one, our number four. What does substance mean? A, food,
Sub
hmm, material, or the
letter
air?
letter A.
Substance? I told you it a while ago. No,
Ah,
it's not a
air.
food, not an air. It's the
Hmm?
material, right? For example, like how do I explain that? Like the paper. What's this when someone asks you the substance of a paper? Do you know where this paper came from?
Tree.
Oh yeah. So when substance is like a part, where does it came from? The main substance, the material that is used to make a
Ah,
paper. Okay. So
okay.
substance means the material. Okay. All right. Okay. Number five. According to the passage, which statement is true? A. Plants need oxygen to stay alive. B. Plants can absorb sugar from the ground. Or C. Chloroplasts are where
Uh, letter C.
chloroplasts are where plants do photosynthesis. That's the chlorophyll, right? Okay, I'll move on. Outline. If you're not familiar with this, what you need to do is you need to the appropriate word that's used. So what you need to do is you need to go back to the page, okay? Let's start just one then, because I think we don't have much time already. Let's start with letter A only, and then tomorrow we'll continue, okay? All right, plants
Okay.
have green leaves. Leaves have blank. Letter A, what's the answer? Leaves have
Leaves have uh, I forget.
leaves. What does leaves have?
Leaf has uh, have I don't know.
Okay, I think it's called, wait, let's see. I'm not sure actually. Le Leaves are main food part of the plant. Okay, so leaves have, mm, leaf is green. So, leaves have green, okay? Alright?
Okay.
Okay, okay. So for tomorrow's class, we'll be continuing with the same page. Don't forget that, okay? So no makeup class today. We'll just have that tomorrow again, okay? All right. Have
Okay.
any?
Now,
Okay. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Sam. Bye bye.
bye.